Okay, today I'm going to show my newest addition to my Tesla Model 3. You probably know that I already had the mud flaps on this car, but I had those generic ones that kind of sucked and they fell off first on the Autobahn and then when I got stuck on the mountain, like you can see in the video I have linked above. So these are the new ones. And doesn't get stiff in winter, so they are perfect for winter condition. And you have probably heard of the brand Rally Armor. It's a very popular brand. So the reason for installing mud flaps is to prevent the rocks kicking up on the car. And here is a common area where Teslas get destroyed. I already have PPF, so I'm kind of protected. PPF is paint protection film, which I have on the entire car, but this area on many Teslas, the paint is destroyed and it's starting to rust because they don't have the proper mud flaps. Even the ones from Tesla are not good enough for Norwegian winter conditions. But for double protection and because these work much better than the other mud flaps, I installed the Rally Armor ones. And in this video I'm going to show you the entire installing process. And this is the first of probably more modifications on this car. I want a roof rack and a roof platform for luggage when I'm on my road trips.